continues. Now we're getting ready. Oh yeah, cut that one off. Now we're getting ready for the one by my house. It's making it nice. Happy Groundhog Day! All over again. Woohoo! Alright, let's go. What are we doing over here? Oh, shoot, he's already getting it. Now, here's where these guys are gonna earn their money. Alright, we got this cable coming up here. That's Murphy Cablevision. Goes to the pole. Then for my house, power line over the truck, and that tree's totally engulfed it. 10 years power company went nothing to do with that tree. I kind of don't blame them. I wouldn't cut that either. But anyway, now they're all coming down. Now these guys are doing it cool. They got the crane. He hooks it up, they cut it off, lift the whole thing down. So you don't have to worry about cutting 5 foot at a time, dropping it on who knows what. They lift the whole sucker, cut it when it's on the ground, and into the chipper. Life is good. Whee! Good times. I actually did that as a teenager. We called that the headache ball. If it hits you in the head, you got a headache. But I'd ride that and ride up and put clamps on the edges of tanks that we were welding. That's when I was 18. Fun stuff. Now I'm in my 60s. I'll take photos. That's enough. Yeah. And he was swinging. Yeah. Yeah. Now once again, this is where they're going to earn their money. Between the power line, the cable from the Cablevision, and you got to lift the stuff up through this. Now, not only that, now he has to calculate when he puts that strap and he cuts it off in the bottom, where's that swinging on the bottom? So all this crap goes into it, and that's where they make whatever they're making. More than I ever made. What? Well, it's looking good. Now, obviously, I'm not going to get too close to this guy. Get crap floating on my head. Oh, yeah. Besides, with this shit, you never know when it's going to fall on its own. Yeah, these trees have been kind of slowly dying out. After this house was built, concrete slab put on there, kind of cutting off the water supply. There he goes. Now he's about down to where he's going to cut it off and then we'll if I was him, I'd be cussing about it now. Oh, he's going to cut that one. Oh, yeah, okay. I got it. Yeah. Yeah, looks like he's tying off so he can release. Well, now a crane can put the pressure on it. Sweet. Uy, chihuahua. Un minuto, por favor. Muy peligroso. For non-Spanish people. Dangerous. Very dangerous. You can do it. Yeah. Oh, almost. Close. There's so much little crap in the way. Oh, that was close. He's gonna get, there he goes. Putting the spikes in it. I got a set of old spikes, anybody wants them. I'm too old to climb trees. But I got the belt and the spikes if you want them. Wow. That's making my knees hurt. Just look. Oh, so close. Yes. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Good. Bien suave. Oh, he's got his rope. It's rope, not ropa. Spanish ropa is soap. Huh. Anyway.
Okay. You ready?
See.
Gotta tie that.
Oh. You got two-way communication with the crane operator. He's ready. Crane put a little pressure. And now our man's ready to fire up the saw and get it going. Not his husk. Ow! Oh. Been cool. This is his first cut since before lunch, so the motor got cold. Now he's very good. Yeah. Oh, not bad, not bad. Come on. Oh, yeah. They say, Bruce, why didn't that guy use a bigger saw? Do you want to climb up in a tree with a huge heavy saw all day? No. Now that one he may drop. I know he's thinking that. This one not so much. Alright, well. And they'll be going over to the chipper. Ground crew will take it. Getting rid of the little stuff. Now when it's getting tricky. It's over my yard. Guys get bored easy, I suggest going. I'm going to keep this camera rolling a while. It's only been 15 minutes, 36 seconds.
Is this one up?
breaking point. And we're done. Yeah.